Epstein, and then upon my return, surrender. So again, I thank you very much. We'll be recessed.
The court made it very clear that he was not going to allow this case to turn into a trial about whether and to what extent Jeffrey Epstein molested dozens of children. It was not going to be about that. It was only going to be on Jeffrey Epstein's assault on me, where he made allegations that I had made up certain of those allegations.
The lawsuit had claimed that Edwards was doing improper representation and all this, and Edwards claimed back at Epstein, no, what you're doing is malicious, you're trying to ruin my reputation and kind of deflect the case. And so here we are, finally it's settled. We don't have all the terms of it, but it sets the stage for something else.
We're going to have a volume of victims that are going to come forward and be ready to testify and not get cross-examined. Testify about what happened to them in a way that'll help them heal.
It would take a fool not to recognize that he faces extremely serious jeopardy at this point. He faces the distinct possibility that his sweetheart plea bargain can get set aside and that he and others will face federal criminal prosecution.
There's a federal case also pending here in West Palm Beach involving Epstein and the secret agreement that the federal government reached with him not to prosecute him federally if he would plead guilty to a couple of state charges. He did 13 months in jail. He's a sex offender registered, but he could have gone to prison for life if he had been prosecuted federally.